Avalanche price. Prediction: will AVAX reach new heights by 2030? Good day, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Team eBeggar's crypto channel. Today, we dive into the future of Avalanche, or AVAX, as we explore price predictions and investment potential from 2024 to 2030. As of now, AVAX is trading at approximately $29.48, with a market cap of nearly $12 billion. According to analysts, we can expect the price to reach a high of $30.54 by the end of 2024, with predictions for 2025 ranging between $37.73 and $46.60. Fast forward to 2030, and projections suggest AVAX could soar between 244.11 and 310.02. Despite a tumultuous market, with significant price swings and a recent drop of 2.48% in the last 24 hours, the Avalanche ecosystem continues to show resilience. The total value locked in Avalanche's decentralized applications remains robust, hinting at potential recovery. Recent developments, including California's DMV digitizing 42 million car titles on the Avalanche network, highlight the platform's growing adoption and utility. In conclusion, while AVAX's road to recovery may be rocky, the long-term outlook remains optimistic. For now, it's a waiting game for investors. Will you be watching closely? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the cryptocurrency market.